So custom blue, here I will paste this color, and +20 going, +20 going, and style property set to text style, color would be custom blue. So we have made changes in more than one file, so to see the changes I will click select all. Okay, +20 going shown here, so need to increase some of the weight of the text. So for that, text style class provide the weight property, font weight, medium, okay. So now it's according to the given, I think W500 is good. Need to put some margin. For that I will use size boxed. Okay, so and on the below we'll need to show my map marker icon and the address here. So to show this we will use another row. So yes, here we got that icon which we need to show, and then next we need to show the address. So for that I will copy this address from here, to inspect, copy, okay, and here we need to change the color to the gray color. I think, do we have gray color in here? Yes, we have. So okay, so gray color is perfect. So next thing will be to align the thing according to the design. So we will start from this part. First we will arrange these things in the according to the design, and then after that we will move forward to make this standalone item. So first start with international brand new label. So here I need to increase the size of this and put some margin on top and bottom. So for that I will first increase the text size and font weight of this. Size is by default 14, so I will make it 18, and font weight would be medium, semi-bold. Okay, I think it's extra bold. I need to decrease the font weight value to 500. Okay, now it's good. So next we need to put some margin on top and bottom. So for that I will wrap this into container. Actually, I wrap this into the padding widget and put the padding symmetrically. Put the padding symmetrically. In symmetrical, I will use vertical 8 and okay. So now it's has a reasonable padding. I think still need to put some on the. Actually, I think the padding on top is more and padding on bottom is okay. I think it's good. I will make it 10. Okay, and the below here are 3 avatar images are showing here. So below here 3 avatar images are showing here. So we need to overlap these images just like this, that which we are seeing in the design. So here we put these avatar images in an row. So to overlap widgets in the Flutter, we use a widget called as stack. So we need to put these images in the stack. So I will wrap these images, these widgets into stack. Okay, and now save it to see the changes. Okay, so the images have been overlapped in the stack, so we need to put some left margin to each widget individually. So for that I will set margin property. Let me check that is circular avatar provide margin or padding property. No, it's not provide the padding properties, so I need to but first let's flow the image 1 will be shown at top, and then image 2, and then image 3. So first I will put the margin. So to put the margin I will wrap these widgets in the container. So I need to wrap them one by one. Okay. The shortcut of showing this list is Control Shift R. So I will put the margin to the second image. So margin, so save it. Okay, so increase the margin of the second image. Actually the first image is okay, so increase the, actually I need to increase the margin of the third image too. So I will give it 20 margin. Right, so the I will increase it by 40, and the second one with 20. Okay, so the avatars have been aligned as which we are seeing in the design, but the thing is, as you can notice that the first avatar is should be showing at the top, and the second one will be after that, and third one will be after the second. And here is the reverse. So for that we need to change the placement of the widgets in the avatar. So by default the normal behavior of the stack is that we put the first container, and then after that we have put the second container, so the second container will overlap the first container. To take the first container at the top, we need to put it at the end of the end of this widgets list. Okay, so now you, as you can see here, that the first image is showing at top, and the next thing about the second widget, so we need to show the second widget after the second widget after the first image, and before the and top of the third image. So for that we need to copy the second image and paste it before the first image. Okay, so now as you can see here, our design is showing as what we are expecting about according to our design. I think I need to increase some margin for the second image. So for second image I will increase the margin by 10. It would be 30. Alright, I think 26 would be enough. Yes, 26 is enough. And now next I need to increase the margin of the third image, so which is placed at the first as a first widget in the stack. So I will increase it by 6. I think a little bit more. I will make it 50. Okay, so now it's perfect. So the image quality is not good. We will our first focus is to make the design according to the this Figma design, so you can replace it later.